Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can group products in Woocommerce and payment methods so you can start taking credit cards on your website. So first of all, let's see how you can create a grouped product. So if you go into WordPress and you make sure that you have Woocommerce installed, you can do that by going to Plugins, clicking Add New, searching for Woocommerce, and then install and activating the plugin. Once you've done that, you'll see that Woocommerce is installed, and you'll see underneath that there's a product section. You can then click Add New. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a product which offers services. So the next thing to do is make sure you give it a description, include as many keywords as possible. So just for the example, I'm just going to copy this text, but make sure to put as much information and keywords about the products that can appear in searches. The next thing you'll want to do is add product category. So product category is basically how you can group similar products together. So this is servicing of a sofa, so I'm going to tick sofas, but you could also add a category by clicking this here, and I'm going to say service. Then you just click on Add New Category, and you can always untick them to not put it in that category, or tick to put it in the category. You've also got tags, so I would maybe go maintenance and click on Add. If you'd already added one in before, you can choose from that list, but there's no tags, and you could go servicing, for example, click Add. The next thing we'll do is add a product image. Click on Set Product Image and choose the image. If you haven't already got one on your site, click on Upload Files and choose the file, and then you can upload it. I'm just going to choose this one I've already uploaded. And then if you want, you can add a product gallery by doing a similar thing and choosing the images you want to do, and then put a short description in. So you could maybe just say that this is servicing for sofas or whatever, such and such, and then I'm just going to finish it with please choose an option from the below. And you want to make sure in this section here that you choose group product. And then the final thing to do is hit publish. So you can just click publish. If you don't want to publish it immediately, you can choose edit, and you can choose a date when you'd want to publish it in the future. So you can do that. I'm just going to click cancel, and I'm going to publish it now. So click on publish, and then you can view the product. That's what it looks like. But I want to put some options in to be able to choose 1 year service, 2 year service, 3 year service, and so on. So if I head back in and I click on copy to a new draft. So as you can see here, it's copied the product. So what we're going to do is we're going to call this 1 year. We're going to scroll down and we're going to change this to simple product. We're going to tick virtual here. This basically means that it's just going to be a service, because basically we're just providing a service for the sofa. Set a price, so we'll put $80. We'll make sure to go into here and tick this box. So as it says here, enable this to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order. You'll see why in a little bit. Next thing to do is just tick this hidden, because we don't want to sell these products individually. We're looking to group them together so it can be bought as one. Final thing to do is hit publish. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy it and we're going to create year 2. We're going to change the sales price to $140. Notice how in inventory, because it's copied that value. And if you see at the top, it's also a copy that's hidden. And we're just going to hit publish. And then we're going to copy it again. I'm going to change this to 3 year. We're going to scroll down. I'm going to change this to $200. And we're going to hit publish. So if we go back into products, this is where you can see an overview of them all. And if we view the sofa service one, we'll see that's what it looks like. But we want to provide year 1, 2, and 3 under here. We do that by going back in, and we head into here by clicking edit, go into the group product, scroll down and see where it says link product. You start putting in the group products in here. So I'm just going to type year, choose 1, choose 2, choose 3. And then all you do is hit update. Then when we view the product, you'll see that you've got all the different options here. Next up, I'll show you how you can set up payment methods using Woocommerce. You can start taking credit card and debit card payments. Please follow along. Let's look at how you can set the payments up. So the first thing you'll want to do is go into your WordPress backend. Make sure you have WooCommerce installed. You can do that by going to plugins and adding it in there. And then next go into WooCommerce and then go to settings. And then go to the payments tab. And what you want to do against WooCommerce Payments, you want to click install. The next thing we're going to do is click finish setup. We're basically going to create an account. We're going to create a Stripe account, and then we're just going to finalize it. So it takes all these payments, so you can see they're the main sort of payment providers. So what we're going to do is click finish setup. And then you land on this page, and we're going to put our email address in that we want to sign up on. So I'm just going to use that. And then click continue. Choose a username. And put a password in. And create your account. You could also have done that with Google or Apple, so on. And then it basically authorizes the connection. And then you land on this page here where you're going to put your mobile phone number and your email address and click continue. And you're basically going to verify the account. You'll get a text, put the number in, and then we start with the rest of the setup. So then I'll put the code in. And it's verified. Choose which country you're from. Choose the type of business. You could choose individual, sole trader, company, and then you can select which type of company you are, or you could choose non-profit. I'm just going to choose individual sole trader and then click continue. And then fill out your information and then click continue, and then choose the industry. So I'm going to go clothing accessories, choose continue. choose the currency you want to operate in. I'm going to choose pound, but you can choose whichever you want from there. And then it's a case of putting your bank account information in, clicking save, and then you can review the information, and then it's all set up. And then you can review your information and then submit, and then the process is done. So now we're going back to WordPress. Yeah, there you can see it's all set up. So in order to try out putting orders in on the website with the product that you've created with the different shipping methods, we're going to put it in test mode. So all you do is you go in your WordPress backend, you go to Woocommerce and then settings, and then go to payments. Then on the Woocommerce Payments section, click Enable Test Mode, and then save your changes. So now we'll try out the whole process. We'll go in as if we're a customer, and we'll try it out. Now that we've set up test payments, we'll head into the store and we'll buy a product and we'll process the order. So let's just go and find the product. There it is. We'll choose 2 years from our options, click add to cart, we'll view the cart, we'll process to checkout, and then there's our 2 years. You'll see that there's no shipping methods available, and that's because it's a virtual product that we set up earlier. We can choose credit cards, and as you can see here, you can enter the card number, which is the test card number. No payments will go through, no money will leave accounts. Let's put some information in. You could also choose cash on delivery if you wanted. I've got a tutorial on that. It's in the description of the video. Please check out if you want. So then we'll place the order. And as you can see there, credit cards, and it's gone through. So if we head back over at the store and we head to the orders section, and then we just click on this order that's come in. And once it's been shipped out to the customer and we know it's been received, we can change it from processing to completed and click on update. One thing I would do that's quite important for when you want to start taking actual orders, when you're ready and you're all set up, I would head back into the payment section and settings, and I would make sure to click in here and then choose save, and then you'll be able to start taking payments on your website. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. There's more videos in the description of the video, so please feel free to check that out. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.